We've all been there. The struggle of managing our credit cards and trying to keep control of that ever-increasing card balance. It's no wonder that owning and using credit cards can be such a slippery slope. But there's no denying that they've become an integral part of our financial lives. They offer convenience and flexibility, allowing us to make purchases without having to keep wads of cash on hand. So how do we manage the dark side of credit cards and tame the beast? Here are 9 great ways to get you started. Number 1. Track your expenses like a ninja. Let's start right at the source. The most important part of getting a better hold of your credit card is controlling what goes into it. So knowing where your money goes is probably your most important step. Be vigilant and track every single expense you make. Whether it's your daily cup of coffee or a new shirt, or more mundane things like the electricity bill, write it down, either on paper, into an app, or into a spreadsheet on your computer. This will not only give you an accurate picture of your spending habits, but also help you identify areas where you can cut back. Remember that your ultimate aim is to pay off your card completely, and adding more unnecessary expenses to it will just make it that much harder. Number 2. Create a budget that works for you. Once you have a clear understanding of your expenses, it's time to create a budget. This is your roadmap to financial success. Start by listing all your income sources and then allocate a portion of your income to different categories such as rent, utilities, groceries, and debt payments. Be realistic and ensure that you have enough money left over for savings and emergency funds. Stick to your budget religiously and make adjustments as needed. This may mean making some sacrifices and cutting back on unnecessary expenses, but it will be worth it in the long run. Some typical areas that usually suck up a lot of money every month are entertainment and dining out, so you could scrutinize those first. Number 3. Pay more than the minimum payment. Credit card debt can quickly spiral out of control if you only make the minimum payment each month. When you only make the minimum payment, a significant portion of it goes towards paying off interest rather than reducing the amount you owe. By paying more, you're directly attacking the principal balance and making progress towards becoming debt-free. To tackle your debt head-on, try to pay more than the minimum payment whenever possible. This will help reduce the principal balance faster and save you money on interest in the long run. Additionally, it can help improve your credit score by showing credit agencies that you are making an effort to pay off your debt. Number 4. Take advantage of automatic payments. One way to make managing your debt easier is by taking advantage of automatic payments or auto debits. Many lenders and credit card companies offer this option, allowing you to set up automatic monthly payments directly from your bank account. By setting up automatic payments, you can ensure that your monthly debt payments are always made on time. This can help you avoid late fees and penalties, as well as maintain a positive payment history, which is important for your credit score. Additionally, automatic payments can provide the convenience of not having to remember to make your debt payments each month. You can simply set it and forget it, knowing that your payments will be made on time without any effort on your part. Number 5. Prioritize your debts. If you have multiple credit cards or loans, it's important to prioritize which ones to pay off first. One approach is to target the debt with the highest interest rate initially. This is typically the costliest debt, and paying it off will save you the most money in interest over time. This is also known as the Avalanche method. Credit cards will usually be one of the first debts in your list here, as credit card debt is usually pretty high interest. Another approach is to focus on paying off the debt with the lowest balance first. This can provide a sense of accomplishment and motivation as you see one debt completely paid off. In keeping with the winter theme, this is called the Snowball method. Whichever approach you choose, make sure you continue making prompt payments on all your debts. It's hard enough reducing the principal. The last thing you need is for the bank to tack on additional late fees and penalties. Number 6. Consider debt consolidation. If you find yourself struggling to keep up with multiple debts and making minimum payments, debt consolidation may be a viable option for you. Debt consolidation involves getting a new loan to pay off your existing debts, resulting in just one monthly payment to make. This can simplify your finances and make it easier to keep control of your debt. There are a few different ways to consolidate your debt. One option is to take out a personal loan with a lower interest rate than what you're currently paying on your credit cards or other debts. This can help save you money on interest over time, though it means that you'll be without a credit card, which is not the worst idea. Another option is to transfer your credit card balances to a new credit card with a lower interest rate or an introductory 0% APR period. This can give you some relief from high interest charges while you focus on paying off your debt. Number 7. Use only one card. Using only one credit card is a great way to help manage your finances better. When you limit yourself to one card, it helps to keep track of your spending and make sure you are staying within your budget. Additionally, having only one card allows you to easily review your purchases each month, compare interest rates, and monitor how much you are spending. And if you regularly download transactions from your bank to manage your expenses, it'll be much easier if you have a single one to download. Lastly, having only one card helps to prevent overspending and can help you save money in the long run. Number 8. Research balance transfer offers. If you have multiple credit cards with high interest rates and are struggling to make your monthly payments, a balance transfer may be a valuable option for you to explore. Balance transfers allow you to move your existing credit card debt to a new card with a lower interest rate, often with an introductory period of 0% interest. Before committing to a balance transfer offer, do some research and compare different offers from various credit card companies. Comparison sites can be a big help here. Look for a card with a low or zero introductory interest rate, as well as a reasonable interest rate after the introductory period ends. Some cards may also charge a balance transfer fee, so be sure to factor that into your decision-making process as well. It's also important to consider the length of the introductory period. While a 0% interest rate may seem enticing, if it only lasts for the first month, you may find yourself back in the same situation once the higher interest rate kicks in. Look for offers with longer introductory periods to give yourself more time to pay off your debt without accruing additional interest. Number 9. Seek professional help if needed. If you feel overwhelmed by your debt or unsure of how to create a plan to tackle it, don't hesitate to seek professional help. There are credit counseling agencies and financial advisors who specialize in helping individuals with debt management. Credit counseling agencies can provide guidance on budgeting, debt consolidation options, and negotiating with creditors. They can also help you create a personalized debt repayment plan tailored to your financial situation. Financial advisors, on the other hand, can provide more comprehensive financial planning advice, including strategies to improve your overall financial health. Working with professionals in the field can provide you with the expertise and guidance you need to make informed decisions about consolidating your debt. They can help you navigate through the various options available and determine the best course of action based on your specific circumstances. Check out these videos next on the best tips and tricks to help you save better.